Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about how to earn free crypto in Cosmos ecosystem. So this is chapter 13, but before I dive in, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment and education. So with that, let's get started. Uh, let's first understand what is Cosmos. So you can think of Cosmos as a progression on the earlier blockchain ecosystems or earlier blockchain systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin was very basic, just payments. And then Ethereum came along, which was like blockchain 2.0. It had smart contracts. It could host other tokens, a lot of tokens and a lot of decentralized applications are built on Ethereum. But then we have Cosmos, which is kind of blockchain 3.0. So it provides a lot more functionality as compared to Ethereum. It's another ecosystem where other applications are built. So we'll see how it is different and how it solves some of the problems of Ethereum. So one of the major problems that Ethereum has is the scalability. So all of the coins and all of the tokens on Ethereum and all of the dApps on Ethereum share the same chain. It's the same consensus algorithm of Ethereum. They share the same virtual machine. So it is limited in scalability. It is actually trying to resolve these scalability issues, but Cosmos actually is designed from the ground up, keeping these things in mind, keeping the scalability and the other factors in mind. So let's take a look at how it resolves some of these issues. So it's also called the Internet of Blockchains. So it has these major components: Tendermint, so which is a consensus engine and also a consensus algorithm. So then we have the Cosmos SDK, which is the software development kit. It's a modular framework for building blockchain applications. And then finally, we have the inter-blockchain communication IBC, which is another part of Cosmos ecosystem, which allows the applications built on Cosmos to interact with each other. So basically, the major difference between Ethereum and Cosmos is that Ethereum has this one single layer, single chain, and all the applications sit on top of that, and also all the tokens sit on top of that. So versus Cosmos allows each application to be hosted on their own chain. So rather than having one base chain, they have they interact. Each application can get their own chain. So these are like parallel chains running. They share the same. They share the security from with the Cosmos, and also they can use the same consensus algorithm, consensus engine, or they can choose to build their own. And also there is a lot of freedom for the developers, and they can actually build a lot of, they can totally choose different tools and different, for example, different language and all that. So the way it works is that so Cosmos, because of this inter-blockchain communication, so you can send tokens from one chain to the other chain that are on Cosmos. So, to do that, one way is to connect each chain with the other chain, but Cosmos, that way it will get very complicated. So rather than that, Cosmos proposes a hub and zone model where all the chains are actually connected to the hub. So at the moment, there is one hub called the Cosmos Hub. So we'll look at that. Let's move on. So Cosmos is a proof of stake blockchain. So it's a bit different from the way Bitcoin and Ethereum work. So Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment, they are proof of work chains where the mining happens, and as compared to proof of stake, so you have to provide a number of coins as a stake, and then that algorithm differs in those terms. And if there is a misbehaving node or a misbehaving validator, the stake could be slashed. So if they if they don't behave properly, so their stake could be slashed. So that is the proof of stake algorithm. So Ethereum also is moving towards proof of stake because it is much more energy efficient and it's less wasteful, and it's very fast as compared to proof of work. So let's move on. But how do I make money with Cosmos? So there are two ways you can make money with Cosmos. So one, you can get staking rewards, which are up to 19%. So APY, annualized percentage yield. So when you stake Cosmos, when you stake the Cosmos token, so Cosmos token is called the Atom token. So when you stake Atom token, you can get up to 19% APY. So you can get more Atom tokens, and those are the rewards. That's the way you make more crypto. And also a trend actually started with Cosmos when Osmosis and Juno projects actually decided to airdrop their tokens to the Cosmos stakers. And that trend followed, and a number of projects actually airdropped tokens to Cosmos stakers. And so these were kind of big airdrops, Osmosis and Juno network. And then recently there has been a evmos airdrop as well, which is also very nice. And then we have these other airdrops also, Chihuahua, which is a meme coin, first meme coin on Cosmosis. And also there is another one, Stargaze, which is a NFT ecosystem on Cosmos. So, and there are a number of projects building on Cosmos, and when they launch their tokens, most of the time they decide to reward the stakers on the Cosmos ecosystem. So not only the stakers of Atom coin, but also the stakers of Osmo and Juno tokens, and maybe even evmos tokens. So you will need to set up a Web3 wallet. So you can use any wallet, but I prefer to use this Web3 wallet called Keplr. So I'll set this up, and then I will show you how to stake Atom, and yeah, so, and how to get rewards and all that. So let me switch screens. Now I'm in my browser. So I'm using Chrome, and I have installed this Chrome extension, Keplr. It's very similar to MetaMask. So you can see my other video where I have talked about how to set up MetaMask. Its setup is very similar. You install this extension, and then you set up your wallet, and it will generate a seed phrase that you need to note down, and also it will ask you to confirm and all that, and also it will ask you to set up a password. So I have already done that. I'm not going to do that again. So you can follow the steps in the other video. I'll drop a link in the description. So let me now go to the Keplr wallet, which is here. So I've already unlocked it, and I have previously staked Atom. I staked it last year, and I have been getting some airdrops. I'll talk about them also. So I have some staking rewards, pending staking rewards. So let me just claim my staking rewards, 1.12 Atom. So let's approve that transaction, and it will take a while, a second or so. So Tendermint consensus has 1 second finality, so which means you will get your reward. So just a little word of caution here. So when you stake, there is a unstaking period. So you cannot just unstake your coins immediately. It will take a few days to get back in your wallet. So, but the staking rewards are actually available immediately. So what I want to do is I want to compound my staking. So I have this 1 Atom, 1.3 Atom now in my wallet, which is available, and I have 33 atoms staked. So let me just stake that new Atom that I've got. So here I'll go and I'll click stake. So I need to actually select a validator. So what is a validator? It's so you can either run your own, you can run a validator on your own machine, and you will require a minimum amount of tokens to stake, but or otherwise you can actually delegate to the other validators that are already running, and they will charge a little commission. So for example, you can see here that these are the validators, and these are the number of atoms staked to each of them. And then you have this commission. So they charge 4% commission, and this is the APR, annualized percentage return. So and you can choose your staker, so you can choose your validator, sorry, and based on that you can stake with them. So I mostly choose a validator which doesn't have a lot of stake or a lot of voting power, because you need to actually, so it makes it more decentralized when you stake your coins widely. So and also I want to stake my tokens to multiple validators rather than just one validator, because there is a risk if somehow they misbehave, they can get their stake slashed. So you could actually lose your coins. So that's a bit of risk with staking. So a couple of points. One, you can lose your stake if your validator actually misbehaves, or the second one is you will not be able to immediately unstake and get your coins in case you want to sell it immediately because of something happened. So I will choose one of these validators. So let me choose, I want to go past the top 10 probably. 5%, 3%. So this one looks good. It's a only 3% commission. So I'll go there, and I just want to stake not a lot of atoms here, just at the moment. I'll click on delegate, and I will say I don't want to stake maximum amount of atom. The reason is I also want to, I also need to actually pay transaction fees. So here you get the warning: staking will lock your funds for 21 days. So you will not be able to, if you unstake immediately, you will not be able to get back your coins for 21 days. So I will stake 1.3, and which is about $14 USD at the moment. So it charges this much of fees, so which is like 6 cents. I'm okay with that. Let me approve it, and it should be transaction in progress. It should be quickly confirmed, and I should be able to see my stake. So now it's successful. So you can see I have staked to these. You could learn more about your validators, how they are managing their machines and all that. So I've staked with 3, but ideally when you have more coins, so I just have, at the moment I have staked 35 atom, but if you have more coins, maybe 100, so you can evenly distribute like maximum 10 coins to one validator. So that way you manage your risk. So that is how I stake. So I want to quickly actually show you about another one, evmos. So I got this airdrop because of staking. evmos evmos is actually a project that enables interoperability between Atom and Ethereum. So it works with both Keplr and MetaMask. So I need to log into MetaMask wallet, and so I got this airdrop of 213 tokens. So I have been staking, and I now have 300 EVMOS tokens, which are, so because EVMOS has a very high APY at the moment. It started with 15,000% per year, so which is crazy. So I was getting a lot of rewards. I actually sold some of the tokens as well. So I'll claim my rewards and I want to compound them. I want to stake it again. So it's, I need to sign this transaction. And because this is a hardware wallet, it's asking me to connect my treasure wallet. I'll do that and I'll confirm this transaction on my hardware wallet and continue. So I connected my hardware wallet and I had to enter the PIN and all that. And also I have confirmed the transaction in my hardware wallet. The transaction has been posted. So I should see my available balance update in a few seconds. Let me just refresh. Now you can see my available balance is 20.68. So I want to stake this one as well. So let me click on staking and look at all validators. I want to, so I can see the 4 validators where I'm staking currently. I can stake, I can add more there, or I can stake to a new one. I'll choose to stake to a new one rather. So let me just see which one is, yeah, so each one is charging 5%. So I'll just go with this one at the moment, delegate, and then I will say, I don't want to stake all of them. 20 should be fine. I again need to sign the transaction and it will ask me to confirm it in my hardware wallet. So I'll do that. Yeah, the transaction has been successfully posted and it should be confirmed in a moment. Yes, so you can see I have staked here. It's not showing the balance. Just a moment. Yes, now it's showing the balance 20 staked with this new validator, and I have staked with these 5 validators now. So so this was another good airdrop, and now I expect some of the projects to build on evmos also, and they may actually reward stakers on the evmos chain as well. So that's my theory. So, but again, it's always a speculation. So may or may not decide to reward the stakers. So it can go in any direction, but so far it has been working, and the projects have decided to reward the stakers. So not only the Atom stakers, but also the Osmo stakers and the Juno stakers, and I'm anticipating that they will also reward evmos stakers. So now let me go back to my presentation. That's how you can potentially get some airdrops and make some free money on the Cosmos ecosystem. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Bye for now.